Alright, hey guys, my name is Leandra. So this video was highly requested. I'm lying, no it wasn't. A lot of people think that I'm gonna do stuff for them, but I'm not a charity case and people are capable of doing things themselves. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a doctor's note. A lot of my friends have been asking me to make them one, and honestly I don't have the time to do that, so I'll just teach you how to do one. So basically, you go to Google and you type in doctor's notes, and it gives you a large variety of different doctor's notes to choose from. Some that look really fake, some that look really real. So I found this one. It was like one of the first 5. So then after you copy that, you go into Paint, you open that up, you press paste, and then now you get to write all over it. So click on the text box, type in your name, and fill out all of the information, align it correctly. Make sure that if you're going to do this, make sure the font is consistent throughout the whole thing. For the purpose of this video, I don't have to do that, but you don't want the font to be like Times New Roman and then your shit's looking like this, because then it's going to be like, why would a doctor put that type of font? So you have to keep it professional and make it look realistic. So I'm gonna go finish filling all of this out for you guys, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Alright, so I filled all of that out. As you can see, I don't live in Effingham County, so you obviously have to find doctor's notes that are related to where you live, because if you have a random hospital that's totally like across the country, your teacher's gonna look at you like you're crazy. So I had found this doctor's note that belonged to my boyfriend, because he actually went to the doctor and he was sick. So I had the idea to just use his doctor's note and change it. So as you can see, it has my name, my date of birth. This is an actual, like, CityMD's real in New York City. I don't know if they have it anywhere else. But, so you see the top, this is how they format it. So really quick, I'm going to teach you guys how to screenshot your computer screen. If you have a PC, you're going to press this symbol. I think it's the FN key. If you don't have that symbol, it should say FN. And if you don't have FN, it should be this symbol. And while you're pressing that, you have to press this right here. It says print screen. Everybody's keyboards are different. I honestly don't know how to screenshot on a Mac because I don't fuck with Macs. I fuck with PCs. So when you do that, when you hold this button and this button at the same time, it takes a screenshot of your computer. So now we're going to go back here, and I can't download this. That's why I need to take a screenshot, which is why I showed you guys how to do that. Then you pull up your Paint again, you paste it. So boom, as you can see, it just screenshotted my whole entire page. So you're going to select this. I suggest that if you live in New York City and you want to do this, you might as well just use this formatting, because why not? Alright, boom. So there it is. Alright, so since this is my doctor's format, this is what I'm going to do. You go like this, you take their logo or anything related to them and their contact information and their address, you cut it, right? And you open up your other doctor's note. You see? So if I was to put it there, they would think it's CityMD. But then look, then there's this shit. You just select that, boom, delete that. Let's see what else we could do. Honestly, I know this kind of looks shitty because I'm not really trying as if it was for me, but if you play around with it, it's all about selecting and making it look real and stuff. Like, that's their stamp. So if I was to put their stamp over here, see, like, where can it go? Down here or something, boom, it looks like they stamped it. So yeah, overall, that's pretty much the basics of it. Alright, so earlier I was editing my 5-hour road course because I have my road test tomorrow, and I actually lost this paper, and this is my boyfriend's, but anyways, I'm going to show you guys how I edited it so that it looks good as new. Alright, so I made this turned into BAM! You telling me this shit don't look official? Like, this shit is so good. Alright, anyways, boom, real quick. I'm going to teach you guys how to... Alright, this is different because this is harder because the background now is not white. So this is how quickly you can edit things without a white background. So you select this, like we've been... Oh my god. My shit doesn't want to cooperate with me, please. Alright. So boom, delete that, right? Alright, so this is the hard part, right? Because shit like this, as you can see, the background is a pattern. So it's like, how can you possibly, like, if I was to take that color and fill it in here, like, boom, that should look cray-cray. I mean, it doesn't look that cray-cray, but if you're like me, who's, like, wants everything to look perfect, then that's not it. Alright, so this is what you gotta do. Well, actually, if it was a solid color, that's what you would do. But if you have, like, a pattern, this is what I did. I just copied this section right here. I cut it. Alright, actually you don't have to cut it, you can just copy it. Take that section, you copy it, and then now when you paste it, you can just put it over, like, boom. And it doesn't even matter because nobody will know that these lines aren't matching up. I mean, I guess this doesn't have to do... This wouldn't be your case for a lot of this stuff because you guys are probably going to be working on white backgrounds, but now you guys know what to do if you're ever in need of, like, patterns and shit. But, like, I just covered the first part up right here, and you can't even, like, I forgot I did that shit. Like, look at that. Wow. But, oh, look at that. Look. Yeah, alright, okay, this is done. Anyways, subscribe, add me on Instagram, it's omg.leandra. You've guys seen my name a bunch of times, enough now to spell it. My Instagram, omg.leandra, subscribe, my Snap, I'll put all that in the link. Send this to your friends, don't send this to doctors, don't send this to teachers, don't tell your parents. Yeah. Oh, also, if you want me to do this for you because you're too lazy, I'm gonna link my Cash App and I'm gonna do it for $5 for whoever wants me to do this shit for them because they lazy.